Hey guys, no need to fear the blue screen error. We have the solution to get you back on track. Just follow my screen to fix this issue. Now click on Advanced Options, then select Troubleshoot, select Advanced Options, and then select Command Prompt. It will open Command Prompt window. Now execute this command carefully. Type chkdsk /f/r c : and hit enter to execute this command. Now we need to type this command c : and simply press enter. Now we need to type cd space c : / and hit enter to execute. Type in cd space Windows and press enter. Type cd space system32 and simply hit enter. Type in cd space config and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type md space backup and simply hit enter. Now type copy *** backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type md space backup1, then hit enter. Now execute this command carefully. Type in copy space ** space backup1, then simply hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space regback, then simply hit enter. Then type dir and simply hit enter. Type copy space ** space .. and hit enter. Then type all and simply hit enter to execute the command. Let's move to the next command. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Now type in bootrec space /fixboot and simply hit enter to execute the command. Type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space Windows /system32 /config /regback, then simply hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type bcd edit space /export space c : /bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Then move to the next one. Type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space boot and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and hit enter. Now type cd space c : / and simply hit enter. Now type attrib space c : --boot -bcd space -h space -r space -s and hit enter to execute. Now type run space c : \boot \bcd space bcd.old, then hit enter. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and hit enter. Now type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.